Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite braids. It's the waterfall braid. This is a great style that you can dress up or down. I love it on flower girls, but I also love it for everyday wear. It's just a great style to do anytime. Before we get into the tutorial, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. It helps us so much and we always appreciate it when you do it. So just go ahead and hit it for us, and also subscribe if you want to see our new videos every single week. And let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair out. I just use a wet brush. I have a sensitive head, so this is perfect for me. But you want to make sure that your hair is all brushed out so that the braiding is a lot easier. And then as you can see, my hair is parted on the side, so I'm just going to gather a small triangle section in the front, as you can see, and then I'm going to separate it into 3 pieces, and I'm going to put the right side over the middle section and the left side over the middle section, and then the right side again, and I'm going to take a small piece from the front and add it in with that right side, and then also take the left side and put it over the middle section, and then the right side again adding in a small piece, and then the left side adding in another small piece and putting it over the middle, and then dropping that. I'm just going to try to separate that from the rest of my hair, and I'm going to pick up a small piece from up under and cross it over the middle piece again. And then again dropping that one from the bottom down and picking up a piece from behind it. Crossing it over the middle section, continuing to add hair end from the top, cross it over, drop that one down, pick up a piece from behind it, cross it over the middle, and just do the same thing all the way around. And then now that I'm in the back, I'm just going to pin that off so that I can do the other side. On this side, I'm going to gather a triangle section again and split it into 3 pieces. And this side of my hair is thinner, so I'm just going to try to make the best of it. I'll try to make it look as thick as possible. And I'm going to cross the right side over the middle and then the left side over the middle as well. And then slowly adding small pieces in. And now adding in from the top to that small piece from the right. And then I'm going to be dropping that through on the bottom piece and then picking up a small piece from behind it and crossing it over the middle, and then adding some hair in from the top to my top section, crossing it over the middle, and then dropping my bottom piece, picking up again, crossing it over the middle, adding hair in, crossing it over the middle, again dropping that bottom piece and then adding a piece in from right behind it on the underneath section and crossing it over the middle. On my top section, adding in, and then just doing the same thing all the way around that we did previously. And then again, as I get to the back, I'm just pinning it. That way I can fluff this side out a little bit before I fix the back of it. And I'm just pulling small pieces underneath to make my braid look bigger, not quite so tiny. It will loosen it up a bit, but I actually like the looser look, so. And then I just brought the two together and did a 3-strand braid all the way down. I love doing this. You can also pin them and finish it like that, but I like this because it adds a lot more texture in your hair. I love this braid. It makes me feel so cute and girly. It's so feminine. I love it for a date night or just an everyday look. It's so fun, so easy, and it always looks so pretty. Like, I want to just wear this every day now because I feel so cute. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next one.